Hello everyone, welcome back to Real Talks. I'm your favorite host Rizwan, and it's always joy to sit with incredible person and learn from their journey and experiences. So today I'm very excited because we have a very special guest with us who has completed their NFL journey. So ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. Abe. So how are you, sir?
I'm fine. And what about you?
I'm also fine. How are you feeling after come to my show?
I'm feeling very great because your show is very famous.
So my audience wants to know your experience of the NFL journey. So are you excited?
Yes, I am excited to tell about my experience.
So what? My first question to you, sir. What motivated you to join the NFL?
First of all, whenever I see my dream, so I realize that English is very important to achieve this. That's why I joined NFL.
So what was the experience of the first day of the NFL?
When I joined NFL, so the on the first day when I went to NFL, so at that time I was feeling some badness because I did not know any person, any student, so I was feeling bad.
So who suggested you for the NFL?
No one suggested me. I searched on Google some English speaking coachings near me, so I saw this.
Okay. So after joining the NFL, so till now, what have you learned from the NFL?
I have learned a lot of things like NFL conducts some workshops. So in the workshops, I have learned a lot of things like what are the differences between dreams and goals. So these are the things that you want to learn. If you want to learn, so you can learn from NFL and you can learn English as well.
So, what changes do you see in yourself after joining the NFL?
I have seen the one change that is confidence. I have gained my confidence from when I joined NFL and from now to now I have completed the course of NFL.
So, what do you want to say about the teachers of the NFL?
The teachers were very good. For example, Pradeep sir, he could speak in English very fluently and he was very good in this field. That's why he chose this field.
So, sir, my next question to you: how NFL students help to each other in learning English in the NFL?
NFL students help each other like if any student commits some grammatical mistakes, so another student say that it is wrong, you have to write this, you have to say this.
So, which type of sessions the NFL conducts in every month or every week?
In every week and in every month you can see a lot of sessions like presentation sessions, debate sessions, outer sessions, and some podcast sessions.
So, sir, personality development and the communication is the same thing or it is a different? What do you want to say about this?
Communication is a part of personality development. If your communication is good, so it means you can enhance you can develop your personality. Communication is a part of personality development. If you have a great communication skills, so it doesn't mean that your personality is great, it's only a part of communication.
So, what is the difference from the others coachings in the NFL?
I did not go to any another coaching. I joined only NFL, so I don't know the difference.
So, sir, could you please explain the your whole NFL journey in a one line?
It was a very helpful for my future, for my career.
So, sir, lastly, I want to ask you, like, would you recommend anyone to join the NFL coaching, and why?
Yeah, of course, I would like to recommend all the students who want to learn English that please join NFL because it is a institute. It is an institute where you can learn English very fastly.
Okay. So, thank you, sir. Thank you a lot for giving your precious time, and it is a great day for all of us. And I hope you all clear your doubt with our expertise. Thank you, everyone.